Olivia Nunes-Malik, and this video will provide a brief explanation of my coding project for university, and B, present a live tutorial demonstrating how my project, which is a Twitter bot, works in real time. My artifact is a Twitter bot, which is a robotic software that can control a Twitter account through the Twitter API. Although there are a variety of functions that a Twitter bot can perform, my bot has been programmed to do 3 specific tasks. A, to read tagged tweets. B, identify the specific hashtag of Disney, and C, respond to these tweets. Despite the controversy surrounding the actions of Twitter bots, I've always been interested in creating one using code, as these bots can be an amazing marketing form for businesses if they want to identify a target audience, understand their behaviors, and create an engaging rapport with them over a period of time. This increases the consumer's trust in the business, and they are more likely to support the business who has the Twitter bot over their competitors. It can also provide a better customer experience for their trusted users who may want a quick response rate associated with questions regarding price points, or just want advice about the best product that suits their needs. I've always had a keen interest in coding, but every time I began a project, there always seemed to be obstacles that couldn't be easily solved, and whenever I went online, there was always a lack of resources to solve these problems. However, doing my research for this project, a Twitter bot seemed like the most simple option, and it made the coding process easier, especially when there was a load of resources available online that could solve any problem that I needed to solve. Combining my interest in coding with my lifelong admiration for anything to do with Disney, including movies, fan art, and potential theories surrounding movies, I put these two together to create a Twitter bot that you can see on the screen at DisneyBot95, which is a Twitter bot that's meant to respond to tweets that have the hashtag Disney in them. During this process, I realized the beauty of Twitter bots and the creative process that comes with them. Despite this software being used, the coding process for the bot follows a very similar set of instructions, and the user can personalize their bot based on their own interests or goals that they wish to achieve. Now, for the live demonstration, I will be showing you how my Twitter bot at DisneyBot95 will respond to a tweet that I send out from the testing platform for this bot at LiveNunes1. Now, as you can see, I've tested quite a lot with this bot, and the majority of the tweets have been successful. Now, starting off my live tutorial, I will first write a tweet that is Hercules is the best hashtag Disney movie. Now, it's important to remember to include the hashtag. For my bot, I put in Disney, and as the bot will only recognize and respond to messages that use this code. The bot usually has a 20-second response rate, as I will show you here. Okay, we will go on my profile. Just give me one moment. So we're on my profile now. I'll click on the tweet, and as you can see, my bot has responded. Usually my bot will respond in about 20 seconds, but I've changed the coding process for the time. So it took about 40 seconds instead. So once again, thank you for spending time out of your day to watch this tutorial. I greatly appreciate it. And I hope that this tutorial inspired you to start your own coding process, because I believe that coding is such an amazing skill to have. And throughout my own projects, I've discovered that coding is such a necessary skill to have, especially in the digital sphere. And you can do basically about anything with it, just as long as you put in the time, the dedication, and understand that problems will arise, and being able to solve them is just part of the fun with learning how to code. And also seeing your end project come to life is an amazing experience as well. But I hope you all have a lovely day.